So far, we have been learned about keyword planning as well as off-page SEO, on-page SEO by using a WooRank, testing a speed of the website by using a page speed insight. Okay, now we are going to check how many pages belongs to your website has been registered in a Google. Okay, first we have to check whether your website is registered in a Google or not. If it is registered, how many pages has been registered in a Google? We need to check that one. But how to check that one? Very simple. You go to Google search. Here in searching, what we have to do? We have to cite colon, not semicolon, colon, your site name. Okay, we have been given here site name. You can see site colon, that is number double dot, that one. Your site name has been taken here, then enter. It will give you the detail about how many pages are registered with the Google. There is a 3 pages has been registered with the Google. Here you can see one is a home page, that is second one is a collection page, third one is a sign in page. So total 3 pages, that is nothing but course page, sign in page and a home page it has been registered. Sign up page or sign in page both are same, because if you already sign up, then only sign in page will come. If you click on a sign in, then also sign up page will come. So, and these are the major pages we have been created, and these 3 pages has been already registered with the Google site, so that we can able to know that one how many pages are already registered in a Google site. If none of the pages has been registered in a Google site, then we need to check why it is not registered, because it may be because of the you haven't taken a domain name. If you are not taken a domain name, for example this particular site, we haven't taken a domain name, not yet taken a domain name. If I use this one, okay, if I say site colon, paste that one. If I say that this particular site, okay, to check this particular site, it gives that this page is not at registered. You can share, but when it is not registered in a Google, you will not be able to get a crawling also. It will not be able to find anything on a Google. It should be on a Google. To be on a Google, we need to buy a domain. You may be buying a domain from the GoDaddy, or it may be from the Google domains, or any other website through any other domain providers. You can be buy a domain, but once you have been brought your own domain, okay, once you have been getting your own domain, then only you will be able to get registered in a Google or any of the search engines. Then we have to start optimizing your page. Why I haven't used this particular page? Because we haven't used that particular domain. Okay, for that reason we have been selected this one. We already purchased the domain for this particular site, so that we have been got 3 pages which are listed in a Google. Whatever the things you have been written in that 3 pages, okay, if it is matching with anyone searching in a Google, okay, the search will be matching with your pages which have been registered in a Google. That crawling, to help the crawling, we need to register our pages should be registered in a Google. To get registered, we need to purchase a domain name, www.yourcompany.com or .in, .org. Like that, we can select a domain. We already discussed about how to get a domain by using a Google domains, right? We can use that particular option to get domain for your website. Once you have been got a domain, if you created a website through a Google sites, then you can come back here settings, and you can use a custom URL. Here you can give your domain to assign that particular domain to your website, so that you will get listed here. Once you have been done that one, you will get to know about all the pages which are there in a Google. Okay, this is one important thing you should note in a SEO. This is all about a SEO, like how to plan for the keyword and checking a website content on page as well as the off page, checking a speed as well as checking a pages whether they are registered in a site Google or not.